Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 8 assignment of the course blockchain and its application. Guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If there are any changes that come to our notice, definitely we will update that in the comment section. You can also suggest your own solutions as well. So please watch the video till the end guys. So don't skip the video. You may miss some content if you do so. So first one, which of the following is or correct? So for first question, I have got two probable solutions, guys. The first one is option B. Proof of work does not ensure consensus finality. And the other one is option C, guys. PBFT protocol always ensures consensus finality. So mark option B as well as option C. Next, moving on to the second one. Guys, definitely subscribe our channel and like the video. If you like the video, our videos will reach more number of students so that they will also get benefited, right? And please share this video within your WhatsApp college unofficial groups. It will help your classmates as well and friends. So second question, which of the following is or true regarding the COSI protocol? So for second question, we have got three probable solutions. Option D, 3 rounds of PBFT can be emulated using 2 rounds of COSI protocol. Option A, witnesses are organized in a tree structure. And the other one is option C, it can be used to sign a message by multiple authorities collectively. So mark option A, C and D. Next, third question guys. Third one, which of the following factors distinguish Bitcoin NG from Bitcoin? So third question. For third question, I have got only one probable solution, guys. So you can suggest if there are any. So we are going with only option A, decoupling the leader election and transaction serialization. So, but in option B, they have given macro block, but it's actually micro block. So with this small difference, we are ignoring the option B and the remaining for their respective reasons. So we are going with only one option, that is option A. So you can suggest guys if you know this exactly, but option A is correct. Yeah. Next, fourth question. Which of the following is or true regarding Bitcoin NG? For eighth question, there are two probable solutions. First one is option B. Micro block generation rate is higher than the key block generation rate. And the other one is option C. The interval between the generation of two key blocks is exponentially distributed. So mark option B and option C. Next, moving on to the fifth one. Which of the following is or correct? Fifth question. So for fifth question, also we are going with first option guys. PBFT protocol ensures total ordering of transactions. Next, sixth one. What is the primary function of a Fabric smart contract chain code? So for sixth question, option B, defining the business rules and logic in the ledger. So mark option B as the probable solution for sixth question. Now let's move on to the seventh one. Guys, before getting into the seventh question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs for the course blockchain and its application. With 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected past NPTEL questions and mixed with our own handmade questions extracted from NPTEL syllabus. So very well mixed questions. So here you are going to get a huge number of 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So for one person, it will be just 300 rupees only, guys. If you take it along with your friends or classmates in a bulk group, so for 2 to 5 persons, combinedly you can get it for just 500 rupees only. So you can share that 500 among 5 persons or 2 persons. So 2 to 5 persons pack, guys. for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees guys. So one person from your group take the lead and mail me to this email id bk179417@gmail.com. So mail me to this email id and get the 300 MCQs pack guys. So for one person it is 300 rupees. If you take it with your friends or classmates as a group, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees guys. So please share this news with your friends and classmates and do let them know about this pack and form a group and mail me to this email id. So I'll give the same email id in the description box as well guys. And there is another pack, that is YouTube membership pack. Here you will only get 100 plus MCQs. It is only for one person and for 89 rupees, video format and for 1 month. If you want this YouTube pack, you have to join our channel as a member. For 300 MCQs pack, you can directly mail me to this email ID guys. And for 300 MCQs, the validity will be till the exam results day guys. So you no need to worry about the validity. But for YouTube membership, it is only for 1 month, but 89 rupees and 100 plus MCQs only. If you want this sample pack, directly go to our YouTube channel page. So S Kumar Edu is our channel page. Beside the subscribe button, there is a join button, right? So click on this join button guys. Then a small window will open like this. So select the second one, videos only for members pack, that is 89 per month pack, right? So click on this again blue color join button and fill in the necessary details and make payment directly to YouTube, not to us. That's it. You will become member of our channel and you can get access to all of our members only videos. Here you can see blockchain and its application, part 1 prepared and part 2 also is there, right? So nearly 2 hours of videos, and you can get access to all the other videos as well that we have uploaded, right? So you can get all these videos for the same 89 rupees, no extra charge needed guys. But my suggestion is, if you are preparing in a final exam point of view, definitely take this huge number of 300 MCQs pack that covers maximum concepts will be, many concepts will be covered, right? So mail me to this email ID if you want the 300 MCQs pack. Already many students, professors and associate professors have also taken our package. So that's it guys. Now let's get back to the solutions, right? So seventh one, which API is used for implementing fabric chain codes? So for seventh question, option C, fabric contract API. So mark option C as the probable solution for seventh question. Next, eighth one. Which of the following is or are true regarding fabric transactions? So for eighth question, we have got two probable solutions, option A and option D guys. So mark option A and D as the probable solutions for eighth question. Now let's move on to the ninth one. Which of the following factors limits Bitcoin's scalability? For ninth question also we have got two probable solutions. Option B, fixed block size, and the other one is fixed block frequency. So mark option B and option D as the probable solutions for ninth question. And moving on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th one. Which of the following is or are correct regarding Schnorr multi-signature in COSI protocol, right? For 10th question also we have got two probable solutions, option B and the other one is option C guys. So mark option B and C as the respective solutions for 10th question. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for the course blockchain and its applications regarding week 8. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, definitely like the video, and please share this with your friends and classmates. And don't forget to purchase this huge number of 300 MCQs package. For one person it is 300, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees. So bk179417@gmail.com. So this is the mail ID to mail us if you want to purchase huge number of 300 MCQs pack. If you want YouTube membership sample pack, you can join the channel. So that's it guys. So keep supporting us like this forever. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.